Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by creating the audio path you need. Install a virtual audio driver like Blackhole or Loopback and create an aggregate device if you want system sound plus mic. Once installed, open Audio MIDI Setup and verify sample rate at 44. 1 or 48 kHz. Make the virtual device the input for your recorder. Make sure the virtual device routes system audio into the same channel as your mic if you want a single mix track. Now open QuickTime or your recording app. Now configure your screen recorder to use the virtual input you created. In QuickTime, choose New Screen Recording, click the arrow, and pick the virtual device. In ScreenFlow or OBS, set the audio input and monitor levels. Select the screen area and frame rate. 30 FPS is typical, 60 FPS for motion. Adjust mic gain so voice peaks around -6 dB and test capture for system audio balance. Once you hear both tracks, do a short test clip and listen through headphones to confirm. Start your final recording and watch the meters. Quit other noisy apps to avoid CPU spikes. When done, stop and save the raw file immediately, then open your editor to trim silences and normalize levels for consistent volume. Export to WAV for highest quality or AAC/MP3 for smaller files. If you get no audio, make sure the virtual device is selected in System Settings, check microphone permissions for the recorder, and restart the recorder or the Mac. Often reselecting the input fixes routing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.